How to safely connect your LPG cylinder in a few simple steps. Step 1. Preparation. First, make sure your appliance, your cooker, is completely off. Read the instructions provided in the regulator manual box carefully. Now, connect one end of the hose to the cooker. Step 2. Connect the other end of the hose to the regulator and secure it properly. Tear off the plastic safety seal from the cylinder. Make sure the valve opening is clean and free from dust or any damage. Step 3. Connect the regulator. If you are using a snap-on regulator, make sure the switch is in the down or off position. Align the regulator with the cylinder valve. Push it straight down firmly until you hear a clear click. Step 4. Verify security. Gently pull up on the regulator to confirm it is securely locked in place. It should not move or detach. Step 5. Turn on the gas. Turn the regulator knob to the ON position. Step 6. Light the appliance. Gently open the cooker tap. Your appliance should ignite smoothly. Always handle LPG with care. If you ever smell gas or suspect a leak, turn everything off immediately and contact your gas supplier. Cook safely. Stay safe.